Flip. All right, I think we're live. It would be cool to infrared camera distant mountains from the dry, flat Antarctic. I will do that. I'm about to show you that. I'm about to show you that's my camera right there. I don't know if you can see it sitting in the middle of the ice. Infrared camera. So what's up, everybody? There's the sun. Hope everybody's doing well. We got a nice night's sleep. Got a shower in. We actually feel like human beings again. But we do have a little bit of bad news. Please show how you're verifying direction. So it wouldn't matter, I'll just point that out real quick, if that was north, or that was north, or that was east, or that was west. Because the sun, since we've been here, has just done this. That sun will just do this. That's all it does. So I can show you what direction we are looking at. If I've got I think I gave it back to the guy. I was gonna say I have a South Pole compass, but that's the one I showed yesterday. Anyway, what we're gonna show right now is the sunspots, and we hope that people at home can take pictures of themselves so that we can verify sunspots together. So if you are somewhere, please get your camera and solar filter out, and let's do some sunspot observations together. So we got some good news. Other people might consider it bad news. We consider it good news. Yes, we can verify direction. What do you mean?
All right.
What do you mean? I don't know what you mean, but you mean if a compass isn't good enough. We already showed you a compass. So how do you want me to verify direction?
Once you get a good clean up.
There's no penguins here. If the penguins were here, what would they eat? There's no bugs here. There's no flies. There's no ants. There's no lice. There's no mosquitoes. There's no anything. So how could there be penguins here? What are they going to eat? The penguins live at the coast where there's fish. So there's no fish here. Anyway. Oh yeah, sellout. How do you think I feel when the Flat Earth community calls you a sellout for being honest with your observations? I think that's a good look for you guys. Yeah, good look. So what the Flat Earth community would appreciate is if I came here and lied to you. That's what you guys want. It's pretty embarrassing. That's what it is. So anyway, the good news, bad news, depending on how you look at it, is we found out that the weather is about to turn bad. And we were told that if we don't leave tomorrow, that we're going to be here for another 5 days, which we will absolutely not stand for. I gotta get the hell out of here. So we are leaving tomorrow, as of right now. That's the plan, is to leave tomorrow instead, a day early, because the weather's about to get really bad. They say they get about 2 or 3 storms a year, and this looks like the first one they're going to get. It will start on Wednesday, and so the pilot doesn't want to fly in on Wednesday or fly out of here on Wednesday. So they want us to leave tomorrow if we want. Or take our chances, at which point we could be here past another 4 or 5 days, which would mean we wouldn't get home till after Christmas, and none of us want that. We've got plenty of good footage. Duffy has with a Insta360, he did a complete 24-hour video, not a 24-hour time lapse. He did a 24-hour video that was a terabyte. Terabyte, right? We're gonna need that. So we're gonna need that. That's Duffy, by the way. So anyway, we're gonna go look at sunspots right now. Let me put this out. I'm in the relegated smoking section, which is quite large. Let's head over this way. Say hello to everybody. What up? I want to show you the plane that we're about to take. We take off at 2. Look at this truck. What a monster. Do you see this truck? This is no green screen. This is real life. I'm freezing my fucking ball up around. Come on. Dink, there up around. Come on. Dink, there we go. Let's go. Let's go check it out. So, I mean, what's crazy is you can't even tell what time it is here because every time looks the same. The only thing that happens is that when that sun goes behind that mountain, so that sun ropes around here, and last night, once it goes behind the mountain for about, I don't know, it's probably behind the mountain 2 hours, it does get really, really cold. Luckily, we were in the tent sleeping at that point. All right, so we're gonna take some sunspot observations. Is what time? So we start, it's 11:46. Wait, sorry. It's 1:46 p.m. That means it's 11:46 Eastern time. Correct, 11:46 Eastern. So we're just trying to all get sunspots at this exact same time. I saw you put out a video talking about getting sunspot observations right now. Yeah. That's funny, that's what we were thinking of doing. So that's funny, that's what we were thinking of doing right now.
Okay, great.
So we're gonna get some.
We have to go right now to get on the plane.
Yeah, I know, I'm just gonna take a couple shots.
Okay, amazing.
People are doing it at home from right now.
Okay, thank you.
I already predicted that that's the La Bamba ending. All right, let's go. We don't have much time. We'd have to get on that plane, supposedly. And I'm not a big fan of small planes, but I'm gonna do it. They didn't like the idea of me being the only one not going with them. So we're all gonna go. God, I can't get this open. Come on. Oh, I gotta take my gloves off, freeze my fucking ass off. Come on. All right, here we go. Now, I doubt you'll be able to see very well because I can't see. That's the other thing. Oh, and about the whole green screen thing, I mean, just, you know, Duffy was so upset at himself because he always uses that same laptop to do his live streams, and he always uses a green screen. And because none of us can see our own screens when we're here, it's too bright. He didn't notice that the green screen was still on. And then when Jonathan came up to speak, he had green on. And so all of a sudden that green spot became see-through and you could see the TFE logo behind it. So Duffy felt like shit, but there's no green screen. Like I said, I wish the sun set. I really do. It did not. All right, let's check it out. Let's see. We're gonna get some shots of we got my solar filter on. We're gonna turn this up this way. Are we on? On. There we go. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna have to take my glasses off a little bit. Jeez, I can't see shit. Okay, hold on. Let me get this lined up on the sun. Get right in the middle. Okay. And this is infrared, but it's got the solar filter, so. I'm just trying to get it lined up first. So that's about the center. Can you see? I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing. Probably not because you're getting the same glare that I am. About there. Okay, here we go. Can you see that? Come on. I don't see any sunspots. Oh yeah, I do. Can we take a couple pictures right now so we can compare? I'll be right with you 1 second. It is 40 plus 9 plus 10. So it's 150. It's 11:50 Eastern. I'm taking these sunspots. From what I can tell, I just see a couple sunspots on the left side. It's hard to see with the glare. I'll have the GoPro camera on for the flight.
Ring a ding ding, we're doing it again.
I'm just taking sunspots. Do you have your camera with solar filter or no?
Oh, I left it in my tent.
Don't worry about it.
Because we have to go. We're
Yeah, I know.
supposed to be there like now.
If you guys leave without me, I won't be upset. I know that. Guys, just remember I predicted this is where it all ends, so. Not a fan of La Bamba planes. Not a fan. But I do want to see a bigger view. There. Okay, so I've taken a bunch. But it is the sun. I mean, there's no way that's not the sun. Okay, I've taken plenty. I lost the sun. Oops. McKeegan. Hey, can you check my settings real quick? Just tell me what I'm looking for to get the sunspots I can. People are taking it at home as well.
Okay.
This is the infrared though, the infrared P900.
All right.
So I've got 125 f8. What would you change it to?
I'd need to see the screen, especially with it being infrared.
Okay. You might have to get a little bit more lined up there. 1 minute. That's McKeegan. No, we did do a 24-hour. We just told you that Duffy did a 24-hour. I'm just going to grab my GoPro.
I need to have a bit more of a play with it, mate.
Okay, we'll do it when we get back. The sun's not going anywhere. Is it going to set?
No,
a little
but
bit?
it's more the clouds are starting to roll in.
Might set in a little bit, right?
Oh, well, you never know.
All right, we're going to turn this off.
I thought you were leaving.
No.
Well, she's going to grab Austin because we gotta go.
Okay, I have to take this back to you anyway.
Don't break your camera again.
I would never break mine. I'm really careful with my stuff. Just break Austin's stuff. If you have a P1000, P900, please just take as many sunspot pictures today as possible. Yes, exactly. Good point. All right, we're going to go put this back in the tent.
You're grabbing your GoPro, right? And
I'm going to grab my GoPro. Tell them I'll be there 1 minute. Okay, so we are heading off to the Ellsworth Mountains on that plane. And that's about it. But thank you for going. It is not fun. And we actually celebrated when we found out we'd be leaving a day early. Austin made for this. I'll tell you that right now. If I've got to give a little bit of my man card back because I don't like a place like this, I'll do it. John, you having fun?
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, we're heading out. See you guys in a little bit. I need to just, will you just grab my GoPro? Thank you. Got it. I think I got good battery on this one left. All right, we're heading off. Should be fun. Too bad we can't live stream from there. But I'll have footage of it. Do I want to take the infrared? I think I'm going to take the infrared camera too. Now I think about it. Let's take both. So we'll take the GoPro, take some shots of that, and I'll take some infrared shots. We're ready. We're coming. We're coming. Austin, put this in there. Oh, wait, I'll get it. Don't back up. You'll be injured. All right, I don't need anything else from there. We're good? All right, we're ready. Who's flying?
I don't know the name of the pilot yet.
All right, it's not his first time?
No, definitely not. Yeah, I'm
We
not
had
sure
somebody
which
practicing
pilot.
driving the orange thing yesterday. Like, hope we're not getting any practice sessions on the fucking La Bamba plane. All right, so we're all lined up here. We're gonna go get on this plane. Mavi, Daddy loves you. Be a good boy. Take care of your mama. Miss, I love you. Be a good girl. Take care of Mavi. And I'll be back soon, let's hope. If not, it's been fun. Much love to y'all. See you after the flight. We out.